This 2023 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 215 RBK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Coachmen is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 4, stove-top burner, microwave, CO detector, auxiliary battery, awning, leveling jacks, slide-out, oven, TV, external shower, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 215 RBK is 4,363 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.